Today's a lovely day for harvest. I figured I'd come out and harvest. And of course, I'm grounding because that's important to be in touch with Mother Earth as much as possible. But as I'm over here looking at this particular kale, I realize that I have some other kale down here. It's almost like she's struggling. See her? She's not doing what she was supposed to do this year. But I'm going to go ahead and harvest it anyway because I don't see it doing anything more than what it's going to do. But that is my favorite type of kale. And I'm sad that that was the only bit that has grown. This is really pretty much for some light sauteing with some onions and mushrooms. So it's not a heavy harvest, or should I say a pot harvest. It's more of a saute harvest. So this is what we have so far on the kale. As I was saying before I was interrupted a little while ago, is that, it's good to come out and prune off all the yellow off of your plants so that you can get replacements. You know what I mean? So when you have ones that look like this with the powdery mildew, or you can see where the mobs have come and eaten, or the butterflies have come and eaten, you get rid of those, and when you come back, you'll have a whole new pretty set of greens. So it is important for you to check on your greens, check on your plants. Come touch them. They want your touch as well. They don't want to feel neglected. So you come out and, you touch them and give them some love. I harvested most that I wanted to harvest. Although I do see some more over here that I can harvest. So let me go ahead and get these. And I don't generally use shears or anything. I just clip them and with my fingers bring them on in. Okay, I'm doing this because it is December. There is no frost here, so I'm not worried about a frost. And even if there was a frost, it would probably be good for these. But I'm just going to take down the ones that have been here for so long and get them in a pan, saute them with some onions and mushrooms, and that would be great. Now over here, I have some mustards in here with the dandelions. There's some more over here. There's some more dandelions. I'm not going to do dandelions today. I have all these little random pots that I had something growing in that now have kale or mustards in them. I'm calling them volunteers because I know I didn't plant them. Miss Broccoli Rob, she came back all by herself. I didn't pull her up. She's back in seed again. So maybe she'll drop some seeds in the pot and we'll have some more. I think that's dock. I had asked about this, but I think it's yellow dock. I'm not sure what to do with it, but it's going to stay there because it's such a beautiful hardy plant. I really need to move this big old thing away from her, though. Of course, over here, we still have the Swiss chard over here. It's absolutely amazingly gorgeous. I'm not going to harvest her today. I have some back behind that pomegranate tree over there I need to be harvesting because they hadn't had a chance to grow the way they want to. The mustards have come back. These pretty mustards. Or kale. I always get them confused. But I think it's kale. They've come back. And then, waiting to see my asparagus come up. I planted them last year. They come back every year, and I can't wait to see the second bout of them. The first bout didn't actually come up. But anyway, remember to always do your best. Be blessed. Grow something. Get out there barefooted. Ground yourself. And try to grow some produce. I'm telling you, if you're not doing it now, I don't know. You need to get with it. Because you already know the stuff that's in the grocery stores are not worth the time of day. So, again, don't forget to do your best. Be blessed and try to grow something. Thank you.